And Rajeshwari.
I'm Swetha. Our project is the design and implementation of rain alert alarm using a sensor. This is circuit. We are having a microcontroller 8051 and a relay, a regulator and a power supply plus a LED and a buffer with a 9-volt battery.
Positive regulator belongs to the voltage regulator. It supplies 2.8 amps current and it supplies 5 volt to the circuit.
So, and we have two relays. Relay is used to
there is an 8951 microcontroller. It is a 42 microcontroller where first 8 pins were port 0 and next 8 pins were port 1 and opposite to that port 3 and then port 4. And 48 pin is VC supply to VCC and then 8 pin is a transmission, 9 pin is a receiver and then 29 pin is a ground.
we have a resistor, a capacitor and a potentiometer. When the rainwater alarm sends the rain, it sends a signal to L108 sensor, which is in stable mode, and it will activate the buffer. Let's see the working principle of the kit.
And this will be the detector of the water. When it detects the water,
It gives an alarm of 5 times and the door will become automatically open. When the water is dry, it will automatically close. This is the working principle.
It is used in rainwater harvesting and sprinkler irrigation to conserve the water.